Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot remember your lock screen password to VIVO V60 Lite smartphone. Well, if you cannot remember your password, the best solution in such case to this issue would be reaching out to VIVO Customer Support service and telling them about this problem that you encountered, and in case you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example, by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, either a paper one or an electronic one that you got on your email. They will be able to help you out with this problem and will recover the access to your phone, or will help you regain access to your phone without removing any data from it. That is why I consider it the best solution. Now, if this solution is unavailable for you, then the other one that you can perform yourself is the factory reset operation. In such case, all data from your device will be removed, wiped out completely, but still you'll be able to set it up as a new device and start using it once again. And you have two options of how to perform a factory reset operation on this phone. The first one is the remote one that I'm going to tell you about right now. So in order to perform the factory reset operation remotely, you can use any other device. I'm going to be using this smartphone because, of course, I don't remember the password to it. I'm going to be using this device, but you can use any other device with internet connection, and all you have to do, well, first of all, you have to have the Google account set up on this device. I'm not sure where to check it. Okay, yeah, Google. So you have to have the Google account on this device, and what you have to do is open the web browser on any other device and search for Find Hub service by Google. Open it, sign into your Google account on this website. It's an official website by Google, so don't worry. Then go to the devices section, find your VIVO V60 Lite and tap on it, and among the other options you will find factory data reset option, which is the one that we're looking for. Once you select it and confirm your choice, the factory reset operation will be performed, and all data will be wiped out from your phone, and once it happens, you'll be able to set up your device once again. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is a local one, and to do that you're gonna have to enter the recovery mode and perform factory reset operation through it. And if you don't know how to perform factory data reset operation through recovery mode, you can check the video on our channel, and you're highly welcome to watch the video on our channel that is titled somewhat like how to perform factory data reset through recovery mode on VIVO V60 Lite. Yeah, so look it up if you need it, then go ahead and watch it, and there we will explain everything step by step so you don't make any mistakes, and surely we'll get everything right and we'll get the access back to your phone once the operation is complete. Now, let me also mention one other case. If you do remember your password, or I mean the one that you entered the last time and successfully accessed your device, sometimes it so happens that some third-party application installed on your device, or maybe some background activity related to some third-party application, is causing your lock screen to misbehave, and in such cases, you're gonna have to disable third-party activities on your phone by accessing the safe mode and try entering your password there. Now, in order to do this, you're gonna have to press the power button and volume up key at the same time to call up the power menu. Then hold your finger down on power off option until you see a notification like this. Then tap OK and wait until your device is restarted into the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, try to unlock your device, then tap OK, and just in case you succeed, before trying to figure out what kind of application could have caused this, let's go to settings. In settings, swipe down to security and privacy. Oh, right here. Open this menu and go to device unlocking, go to screen lock, provide your complex password again, and then either select none or swipe option, remove. And now just press the power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart. Once your phone is restarted, it will reboot into the normal mode again, and you'll be able to use your device once again. And so that's it for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.